Yes, we are back at it again. Hello, and warm welcome to series where I am showing how I built my holiday home. This time, I will continue working on the house frame. I will nail together the segments of the frame one by one. I want to caution that my methods and the way I work are not always safe. I feel confident in myself, and I do not recommend or encourage you to use my methods.
Dēli.
Šitais nebija pieskrūvē.
Mēs izcēlām tā.
Dēli, domā.
Ar vienu otru dēli.
Vienu kāju pamaz.
Yes, it's just as heavy as it looks.
Līdzi gandrīz pat ir. Paldies! Diezgan viegli, domāju, grūtāk būs.
There are times when plans need to be changed and improvisation is necessary. Initially, I decided to place the boards for the second floor frame with the longer side along the length of the house and then support them against the load-bearing beam. This way, I can use the same 4-meter boards as the longer ones will be useful later for the roof structure. I am working on the front support of the house. It will intersect with the load-bearing beam, so a connection is needed. I embedded 2 bolts and pulled them together through the support. Later, I reinforced it further with additional 5-centimeter boards on each side.
Kur es? Nākamā viena vēl ir palikusi.
A small crane would be useful, of course, but it is what it is, so everything has to be built by hand. It adds an interesting element for the viewers, ha ha.
Nu wait. Ja. Au, pirksti. Līdzi gandrīz pat ir.
Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. That would really help me out. In the next episode, we will definitely continue. You will be able to understand the overall outline of the house.
Nu, es nonācu. Pacelt jau mēs nevarēsim, ne?